I've been given two vectors, u is equal to minus 3i plus 2j, and v is equal to 4i minus j, and I've been asked to find the angle between the two vectors. Well, I know that the angle between two vectors can be found using this formula. The inverse cosine of u dot v over the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. So I need to find two magnitudes and a dot product. Start with the dot product. And let's see, I have minus 3, that's going to give me a minus 12, minus 3 times 4 there. 2 times minus 1, I'll be plus minus 2, and I get a minus 14. And right now, I know I'm going to be dealing with an obtuse angle, because the bottom of this fraction is definitely positive, meaning when the dot product is negative, I'm taking the inverse cosine of a negative angle and getting an obtuse one. Taking the inverse cosine of a negative number and getting an obtuse angle, better said. All right, the magnitude of u. The square root of 9 plus 4 is root 13. The magnitude of v, the square root of 16 plus 1 is root 17. So my angle is the inverse cosine of u dot v all over root 13 times root 17. Now I can use my TI-80 4 or 3 or whatever you have to make this calculation. So I have the inverse cosine of minus 14 divided by the square root of 13 times the square root of 17. And I'm just going to let that be a 13 times 17 under 1 square root symbol to just make this a little simpler. And I find my angle here to be 160.3 degrees. And there is that nice obtuse angle.